I am with my tree in the background for this video. So today's video is going to be focused around my Christmas tree. No, I'm just kidding. So today is going to be focused around 3 ways to make sure that you're prepared for 2021 in your business. Ready, set, go. Number 1, have a plan for January and February. If you have not already sat down and planned your January all the way through, you're behind. That's number 1. Number 2, you need to have February planned out already because January is going to come and go quicker than you think, and then you're going to be in the next month of the year and you're going to be like, what the hell? So when I say goals, you know that means monetary goals, that means exposure goals, that means visibility goals, networking goals, anything that it takes to get your business to whatever your ending goal is for 2021, that needs to start in January. Number 2 is going to be focused around accountability. You need to make sure that you are dedicated to whatever you have set forth for your business. A lot of people this year have started some shit and then not finished. You've done 2 weeks of marketing, you haven't seen results, and you completely give up. And I don't understand how you expect to see any sort of growth if you're not even putting in full effort. If anything that you're doing, it takes a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks to see proper results. Especially if you're not doing it consistently. You can't go and market for 2 weeks and then not market for 2 more weeks and then go back and market for 2 weeks and expect to see consistent sales. That doesn't make any sense. So in 2021, you need to hold yourself accountable to your goals. Whatever you set forth, you need to see it all the way through. And yes, I am being stern with you guys because I'm sick of it. I'm sick of all these wonderful ideas that are not being seen all the way through because you feel some sort of way that you're not getting the results you feel you should be getting without proper marketing. You've put out 2 posts that tell about what you're doing for your nail special and you haven't been booked up and you're wondering why and you're upset with yourself. But you haven't even given yourself enough time. You put yourself in a predicament and you have put yourself in a predicament where you're not gonna be pleased with the results because you put an untangible goal on there. You can't not market and expect to sell out. You can't market once and expect to sell out. That's not how it works with a small business. People don't know what you do. People don't know who you are. So you have to make sure that you are constantly shoving your business down people's throats. I mean, hey, they're either going to support you or they're not. At the end of the day, you're doing what you need to do to reach your target audience. 2.5. Okay, another thing is you have to keep track. A lot of business owners aren't keeping track. You should know your growth stats month in and month out. You should know the numbers that you've done month in and month out. You should know the people that you've contacted month in and month out and how those contacts have converted. If you don't know and you have not done that in 2020, it's perfectly fine, it's okay, but 2021, you need to be a real business owner. You need to be strategic. You need to have documents that show what you've been doing from January 1st all the way to the end of December. Number 3, and it's very important, and this is why it's the last one, put yourself out there. I'm tired of seeing business pages that are private, for one. I'm tired of seeing business pages that do not have the business owner on there. Who the hell are you? Who owns this company? How are you going to be a credit repair agent and your picture is not on your page at all? How am I going to trust you with my credit and I don't even know who you are? Same thing as a realtor. Why are you showing houses and I don't even know who's going to be showing me these houses? You have to put yourself out there. Even if it's 1 picture or 1 video of you a month, put yourself on your page. Put your business on your personal pages. And trust me, the only reason I say this is because when I first started my business, I was in the same mindset. All right, I'm gonna market this. I just don't want my personal people to know this is what I'm doing because I don't want negativity. I don't want people asking me for shit for free. I don't want none of that. But then I got over it. And once I started doing it, I started converting. And I started getting clientele and strangers who would actually be contacting me. So if you're afraid to put yourself out there, stop. This is your sign again. Put yourself out there. Put a picture of yourself up there. CEO of the day, drinking her Starbucks. CEO of the day, brushing his hair. Whatever it is, post yourself on your page. I mean, people love to see real people on businesses. I mean, come on now, guys. If we're trying to get to those corporation levels, you're not going to be able to do that by being unknown. It's just not going to work. People have to know who you are to be able to refer you, to be able to say this is a great business that this person owns. It just has to happen. So, yes, another thing. If your profile picture is not your logo, and if it's an item or a product that you sell, change it. Change it. That's not professional. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna let you know, it's not professional. Change it. If you have a profile picture for your business page that is not your logo or something related to you in general, if it's a product or review or a flyer, change it. If your business page is private, change it. If you have not converted your business page into a business profile where you can check your insights and analytics, change it. These are my 3 ways to prepare yourself for 2021 successfully and to make sure that your business is going to be on the rise and it's going to grow at the rate you want it to grow. We all have control of our business, and the only way we can control our business is by actually being inside our business, knowing what it takes to reach that next level, learning from our mistakes, and being able to connect with other business owners who may be a little bit more advanced in what we're doing in our field. It's okay to have a mentor. It's okay to have aspirations of other people. It's okay to look up to people. It is perfectly fine. That's natural. That's normal. That's the way that you grow. You can't grow and not see any growth around you. That's not how it happens. If you're at the top of your circle, if you are doing the best that you can in your circle, then you need to expand your circle or get a new circle, because there should always be somebody in your group that you're looking up to, that you want to be like, or that just motivates you, that pushes you, that makes you want to thrive and go harder. So this is your business genie this holiday. Thank you guys. This is probably going to be my last video of 2020 on this channel. I'm ready for 2021. We're gonna have new intros. We're gonna have new music. We're gonna do great shit. Okay guys, see you in my next video in 2021. Bye.